Good day, Abby, to both our doctors and everyone. I'm Harinquan, a member of the group named QUMICA, and I will be giving a brief introduction of our group and presenting some general knowledge on engineering. First and foremost, allow me to introduce our team. We consist of three members, which are Satish Kumar, son of Pampalagan, Nurul Hidayah Anissa Biti Bacho, and myself, Harinquan. What is engineering? According to the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology (ABET), engineering is the term of profession in which a knowledge of the mathematical and natural sciences gained by study, experience and practice is applied with judgments to develop ways to be utilized economically the materials and forces of nature for the benefit of mankind. What do engineers do? Well, generally, engineering involves in a work field that uses mathematics and science principles to solve problems. According to the data we gained from last interviews, engineers are problem solvers who apply their knowledge and experience to build projects that meet human needs and clean up environmental problems. In conclusion, engineers have significant impacts towards building a better world. Here are a short preview of our team interview with two reputable engineers, Sir I.R. Didi Mulyadi and Sir William Balada Anakadum.
I think you know my name is Mulyadi bin Abdul. So what else? Okay. So a bit background about myself.
Okay, sure. My name is William, and I'm a instrument engineer for the KBCS.
During our interview session with both engineers, we managed to ask a few questions which related to our topic. For starter, both engineers had the same opinion on engineering in general, which is a person who able to solve problems efficiently. They also agree that the responsibility of an engineer is to be responsible toward their invention or product of creations toward the users and nature. For the last similarities that we gain from both reputed engineers, the ethic that is must have on an engineer is that the engineer is liable to the registration under BEM. They must be officially becomes a legal engineer and provide their services for the nation. Finally, this is the milestones that we use in our assignment. That is all from me. Thank you. I'm going to pass to my friend Nisa.
Hi, I'm Nisa. I'm going to talk about engineering achievement and engineering ethics. Washington. 100 years ago, life was a constant struggle against diseases, pollution, deforestation, treacherous working conditions, and animals' cultural divides unbreachable with current communications technologies. By the end of the 20th century, the world had become a healthier, safer, and more productive place, primarily because of engineering achievements. 5 incredible engineering achievements of the first 21st century. First one is the Burj Khalifa, Bluetooth technology, robotic body parts, the Millau Viaduct, the Large Hadron Collider. Engineering ethics. Engineering ethics inspect the etiquette of engineers in engineering organization and the standards of the profession and morality. Code of conduct based on Board of Engineers Malaysia. The first one is registered engineer with practicing certificate not to falsify qualification, certify work only if he has control over supervision, and not to accept benefit from more than one party.
Hello doctor and my fellow friends, I am Satish here to present about the responsibility of engineer towards the sustainability development. First, I would like to explain about sustainability development, which is development that meets the needs of current generation without compromising the future generation. These are the few goals of sustainable development. The first engineer's responsibility is engineers should engage better and consult the communities which they cannot focus on profit while they think about the people's needs. Next, engineers should take development issue into extra precautionary measure which they need to concern about usage of limited resources. After that, they need to active in invention to measure and monitor the pollution to help to reduce their waste to minimum. The fourth responsibility is reduce the use of energy and other resources. This is to make sure the continuous supply for the future. The last responsibility is creating high quality treatment for liquid and solid waste, which reducing waste throughout the ecosystem cycle. So finally, these are our reference which we use to do this assignment. There are 11 references totally. I can't explain about references because lack of the time. That's all doctor and my fellow friends. Thank you so much for listening to me.